morning, children. You all are fine? Yes. Children, today I will take English for third class. So everyone take out your Collins English Grammar and Composition 3 book. Third class textbook. So open, children. Yes. So page number 54, 12th lesson, verbs. Yes. So page number 54, 12th lesson, verbs. Ready, children? Let's get start. Circle all the action words in the poem. So children, here gave one small poem is there. So here we'll do circle action verbs, children. Sit or stand, roll in the sand, walk or run, time for some fun. Color and white with pencil so bright. So this poem gave some action words. So we'll do circle, children. Okay? Ready? Sit or stand. Sit or stand. Roll in the stand. Roll in the sand. Next, walk or run. Time for some fun. Time for some fun. Yes. Color and write. Color and write. With pencil so bright. With pencil so bright. So children, this poem will do circle action words. So first one, sit or stand. Next, roll, walk, run. Okay children, color and write. So this is action words, children. You also do in your textbook. These words circles, children. Sit, stand, roll, walk, run, color and write. Do circle, children. Sit or stand, roll in the sand, walk or run, time for some fun. Color and write with pencil so bright. Okay children? See, next, read this sentence. The monkey eats banana. So here monkey eats banana. Renuka dances well. So Renuka here dances well. Ashoka flies kites. Ashoka flies kite. The squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. The squirrel, where they live, children? In the hole in the tree. The words eat, dance, fly, leaves are verbs. So these are verbs, children. So these words are verbs. Eats, dance, flies, leaves. So these words are verbs. They tell us what the nouns monkey. So they tell us nouns the monkey, Renuka, Ashoka, squirrel. So this is noun verbs, children. Okay, verbs are words which tell us what person, animal or things does. So verbs are which tell person, animals, things and does. So when the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb is singular. When the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb also singular. When the noun pronoun is plural, the verb is also plural. When the noun and pronoun is plural, the verb is also plural. Some verbs are made up of more than one. So some verbs are made up of one, more than one, children. Example, Mohan is running fast. The dog is wagging its tail. The lion cubs are sleeping under a tree. The words is running, is wagging, or sleeping show that the nouns. So this is noun words, children. Okay. The dog and lion cubs are doing. So verb is action word, children. So verb is what, children? Action word. Okay children, so verb is action words. So here eats, dance, flies, leaves, they are action words, children. So running, wagging, or sleeping. Understood, children? So the verb is action words. So next, children, see page number 55. Circle the verbs in the sentence. So here A bit, circle the verbs in the sentence. So we will do circle verbs. Yes, children. So A bit, circle the verbs in the sentences. Ready, children? Yes. So first one, Rama eats chocolate. So what is the verb, children? Rama eats chocolate. So verb is eats. So circle, children, textbook. Everyone do in your textbook. The beggar is asking for money. So asking is verb. Asking is verb. The third one, the boy plays in the field. So the boy play in the field. So play is verb. Fourth one, she is teaching the student. Is teaching. T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. Is teaching is verb. So fifth one, children, the mouse eats cheese. So here eats is verb. Eats. Sixth one, my friend are coming for dinner. So are coming is verb. Are coming is verb. So seventh one, Meena is blowing a balloon. Is blowing a balloon. Is blowing is verb. So eighth one, children, my mother bakes cake for me. So here bakes is verb. So do circle, children, in your textbook. Eats is asking, play is teaching, eats are coming is blowing, bakes. So these words are verbs, children. Understood, children? Yes. So write neatly. So Nine writes circle, children. So next, B bit. Yes. So B bit, children, fill in the blank with the correct words of the box. So children, here fill in the blanks. So we will fill the blanks, children, with the correct words from the box. So ready, children? Yes. So already here one box gave, children. So some answers are there. So first one, it is difficult to dash a cake. So it's difficult to bake a cake. It's B-A-K-E, bake. Second one, always stop when the traffic lights turns red. So answer is stop. Third one, I am dash flowers for my mother. I am buying flower for my mother. Buying, B-U-Y-I-N-G. Okay, children? So next, fourth one, Rohan throws the ball for his dog. So T-H-R-O-W-S. Throws. So fifth one, Neetu dash her hands before eating. Wash. Washes. So sixth one, Mother dash my favorite meal. Mother cooking my favorite meal. Seventh one. They were dash together. They were playing together. Playing. Playing together. So eighth one, children. Do not dash loudly in class. So what is the answer, children? Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Do not talk loudly in class. So write neatly in your textbook, children. Fill the blanks. It is difficult to bake a cake. B-A-K-E, bake. Always stop when the traffic lights turns red. S-T-O-P, stop. I am buying flower for my mother. B-U-Y-I-N-G, buying. Rohan dash the ball for his dog. Throws. T-H-R-O-W-S, throws. Neetu dash her hands before eating. Washes. Mother dash my cooking favorite meal. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. They were playing together. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Do not talk loudly in class. So T-A-L-K, talk. So finish, children? Yes. So see, children, let us write. So what is also page number 55? Yes. Let's just write. Look at the picture and write what is the happening. One is done for you. So children, here one picture is given. See. So look at the picture. Write what is happening here. So one picture is there. So here write sentences, children. What is happening here? Okay, children. So ready? The train is entering the station. So the train is entering the station. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. Let us write. Yes, ready? The train is entering the station. Many people are standing on the platform. On the platform, waiting for the train. Waiting for the train. Okay, children? So next, now they will get up on it. He always stand behind the yellow lane, at the yellow line on the platform. Platform. Okay, children? Yes. So next. So while while waiting for the train, we are waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. Okay, children. For the doors of the compartment. Doors of the compartment. 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 To open. NENT. Compartment. To open. My mother. So children, first write 6 lines, children. So more 2 lines is there. So first you write this 4-5 lines. The train is entering the station. Many people are standing on the platform waiting for the train. Now they will get upon it. It always stand behind the yellow line on the platform. While waiting for the train, we are waiting patiently for the doors of the compartment to open, my mother. So 2 lines are there, children. So you write first 5 lines. 6 lines are 6 lines. So I'll write after 2 lines, children. So write neatly. Yes, children. Finish. So more 2 lines are there, children. Yes. So mother and I are hopping to get seeds. Okay, children? Seeds, scenes. SINC, scenes. We have a long way to go. So finish, children. So write neatly. So finish, children. And I am hoping to get seeds since we have a long way to go. So completed this paragraph, children. So your 12th lesson verb is completed. So complete your notes and textbook, children. Okay? Yes. So bye, children. We'll meet you next class. Bye. Take care.